Integrating PayPal with System.io is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open your System.io dashboard. Here you can see that there are many options on the upper side, that is contact, funnels, email, and many others. But you have to click on account button at the right corner of the screen. After this, you have to click on setting button. Next window will look like this. You can see that there are many options on the left side of the screen, but you have to click on payment gateway button. Next, you have many payment methods that you can connect, but now click on PayPal. To connect PayPal, you have to enter username or PayPal, password, and signature. To access this, you have to go on your PayPal account. Then click on Account Settings option. Next, click on Account Access button. You can see that there are 4 options, but you have to click on Update button in front of API Access. After this, scroll down and then click on Manage API Credentials. New window will look like this. Now click on Agree and Submit button. Here you can access your API username, API password, and signature. You just have to copy that and then paste it on System.io. In this way, you can integrate your PayPal with System.io.